Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be trained on Bynamo using the VM mode indicator. So you all know that the VM mode is a volume based indicator. So I will be following only the volume movement and the price action also, and I'm using some indicator for better understanding the price movement. So you can see the market is going down, and it's creating the inside bar pattern, so bearish inside bar, and I missed the good entry point. So the market is going down and I'm searching the volumes and the good levels, finding the VM mode, and you can see uh, I will be placed in each and every trade $600. I'll be placed. So right now I'm finding the good entry point for placing the trade. You can see the market is try to get injections from this point, and here I can see the strong try to the buyers entry in this point, and the volumes is gaining in the lower part. You can see, okay, so you can see I have been placed at red call option in here, because you can see the movement. You can see the market is uptrend first of all, and here you can see the volumes, and indicator is showing up the uptrend. And if you see, here is a strong strong support levels in the VM mode. And if you see the vertical volumes, in this vertical volumes we can see the volume gaining in this point with the good POC point. And if you see the delta, it's positive also. So I hope I will be win this trade. You can see the market is trying to go up, and it's going up, and it's going up perfectly. Look here. Yes, I have I will this trade, hopefully. Yes, I have won this trade. You can see I have made $1,104 within few minutes, and this is a part of the volume analysis software. But you have to be know understanding the how to use this software perfectly, and if you if you misuse this software, you never getting the good result. And you can see I am using some indicator for getting the better entry point and understanding the better trades. So this is the Bollinger Band you can use, but you cannot trust the indicator also. You have to be analysis also the technical analysis, otherwise it will be very difficult if you trading only based on the indicator. You should be analyzes the market perfectly. You can see we have a okay, I'm using the new chart, that's why it's not showing the very horizontal line. So you can see we have a levels in here, okay, but they have some gaps, and I saw that the market has been closed about here. So I hope the market will be break down these levels, then I will be take the decision. And you can see the volume is not much good. There have no any HVN, that's why I don't trust here. And the previous the rejections from the buyer, so there are chances, there are possibilities to buyers entry again. Okay, this is the strong candles, and it has been closed in here. So I'm not seeing any good levels near this candle, so I will be wait for getting the perfect entry point. Until I'm not getting the perfect, until I'm not getting the perfect entry point, I never placing any trade, because I don't want to take any risks. Okay, I'm waiting for the entry, perfect entry. So I will be back after getting the best entry. Okay, you can see I have been placed my trade in here call option, because you can see the market is uptrend, and previously if you see the trend, it was, first of all, it was the hanging man, then strong candles, again you can see the good candles and rejections from the downside, and I got a pin birds, which is my reversal sign, and it's and I can see there is a have been a good support levels, and I saw here it was closed exact the Valoria low in here. And if you see the volumes in here, the last candles, the volumes was gaining, and if you focus in the previous candles, look here, these candles, like here these candles, so these candles, if you see, it was a hanging man, and if you see the hanging man, it was strong rejections, strong sellers entry from the upper side, and lower side we can see some buyers, but buyers are not strong. And if you see in here, we are getting the strong sellers volumes in the upper side. Okay, fine. And you can see the rejections from the lower side, but the buyers are not much strong. And then if you see the pin bar, it was a strong buyers volumes gaining from the lower part. And this is also the pin bar candles, which is the reversal sign from the support levels. And here I had a strong Valoria low levels, I mean the support levels from the horizontal lines. And if you see the indicator here, the volumes is weighing weaker from this levels, and here is the Bollinger Band, which is give me another confirmation, so the market wants to change the direction. So it's all indicators, all strategies combine me, this give me the signals for the next candle wants to go up. That's why I have been placed my call option in here. And you can see I have investment again, the $600 in here, and you can see it was my winning trade. And it's also you can see it was the green candles. And overall you can see I have made almost $1,000 profit right now. So actually trading is not easy, you know that. If the trading is easy, every people's will be doing the trading. But if the trading is not easy, that's why the peoples cannot do the trading, because there have some educational materials. You have to do study about these things, and you have to be much more about this strategy, and you have to study about the volume analysis. Otherwise it will be difficult for making the good profit. But if you understanding this all strategies, everything, it will easy for you make the money from here. So you can see just this few minutes, like I was investment here 10 minutes or 15 minutes, more than nothing more, but I have made $1,000 profits in here. How? Because I have good analytical minds, and I know the market, the movements, and know how to use the volumes, and I have strong and powerful strategy in my hand, and everything if you have, so it will easy for you making the money from here. Otherwise, if you have thousands of dollar capital, you will be losing from the money, you will be losing the money from this platform. So this is today video. If you're understanding something, so it will be pleasure for me. But if you have any questions about this video, you can ask me the questions in the comment section. And if you see this is the useful video for you, you can share the video with your friends.